Today I'm going to show how I mount my cell phone to a pair of binoculars which are attached to a camera tripod. And first thing is I put numerous rubber bands around here because I don't want, if I just use one, it could break, cell phone falls to the ground, bad things can happen, so I don't want to do that. But then it's the camera lens is right down there, and that's lined up through the binocular, just one of them, just like you look through with your eye. And then I kind of zoomed in on that snow that's on that tree right there, and then here it is without the binocular. It's let's see if I can see it. Oh gosh, it's tiny. Well, it's way over there. It's probably, it's probably close to 100 yards away. But the zooming in with the binoculars gives you a really nice clear photo. Sometimes with cell phones, if you zoom, the picture distorts really bad, but here you're using opticals, lens here and one down here, to zoom these things. And I've used this for Facebook Live, YouTube Live, in situations where you want to go live with something that's happening at a distance. When I went on Facebook Live, I was shooting a osprey nest that was way up on top of a light pole, and I couldn't get anywhere even close to it. So by doing this, I was able to zoom in and really see what those hawks were doing. So it's fairly simple. This the bracket that holds the binoculars is actually off of a really old tripod. It was actually had wooden legs on it, and this was on it. My dad had bought it in an auction a long time ago, but this works real well, and I'm sure these are still available today. I might have to do some digging to get that, but then it just threads on to the tripod, and then you have all these different adjustments. This one is rotating, spinning around, and then you can use the lever up and down. There's adjustment here. This one you can loosen, it'll spin. This one adjusts this angle here, and then this threaded rod here goes up and pushes on this plate that holds the bottom of the binocular, and it gets tightened up here. And I don't know what the modern versions would be like, but I would think it'd be similar. So I don't think I've ever taken pictures this way, but for video it worked well. Just a tip for, the nice thing is with your cell phone that you can go live, which is pretty cool. And Facebook, YouTube really promote things that are live. But if you have a pair of binoculars, it's a pretty easy way to go. These binoculars are 8x40, extra wide angle, lightweight, 472 feet at 1,000 yards, whatever that means. These are Mastercraft binoculars, and I would think any pair of binoculars would work. So but be sure to check out my other videos. Please subscribe, like, share, leave a comment below. Have a great day.